Okay, here we go, page 3. So the first one asks us to identify some lines, okay? And so it looks like this. I have my little square here, which lets me know that this angle is 90 degrees. So if I have two lines coming together at 90 degrees, two lines that are perpendicular to one another, then they're perpendicular. I believe perpendicular is the first option, and it is, so that would be A. Whenever there are two lines that come together at 90 degrees, perpendicular, okay? The next one that we have, is that clock. So, if I'm drawing a straight angle, I'm essentially drawing a straight line. And a straight line is 180 degrees, okay? And so if I have a clock, the easiest way to do this, to make it represent an actual time, is to have your straight line kind of going vertically. So I put my 12 and my 6 here, and I'm going to put my line right in the middle this way, up and down, because it's then telling me that it's 6 o'clock or maybe 12:30. You know, you can decide whichever one you want to say, but this angle right here, this big one, is 180 degrees. I made a straight line. It also asks you to draw an angle that is 90 degrees. So we know that a 90-degree angle, I'll put my 3 over here and my 9 over here, is going to make a square corner that it is a right angle, okay? So if I start here with one of the clocks, one of the hands on my clock going up to 12, I put my other one over here to make a square corner, and that's going to be 3 o'clock, so that's an option there, right? Or you could even do it the other way. And if you do this here, then that would be 9 o'clock, but it's up to you, okay? So that one's kind of simple. I think we've actually done that on a review before, so you should be fine. The next one says, draw, it says and, that's a typo. Ignore the and. Draw two different shapes that are trapezoids. A trapezoid is a parallelogram. Fail. Nope, don't you remember that. You ignore that. A trapezoid is a polygon, and it's a quadrilateral. It has 4 sides, and one set of those sides are parallel. If both sets are parallel, it's a parallelogram. But you just need one set to be parallel. So we have our traditional trapezoid that looks like this, which is lovely. Right? Boom. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And we have the top and the bottom line segments here. They are parallel to one another. The other option we could do, let me see if I can. So we can do something like this. So we have something parallel here. That's going to be parallel to this line at the bottom. So this is going to be parallel to this. And I still have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So it's quadrilateral, it's a polygon, but this line here is parallel to this one, meaning that they will never touch, they will never intersect. They are always the same distance apart, okay? Green is like really light because I won't use green anymore. So that's that. The last one is, I have 2 sets of parallel lines, 2 sets, so that lets me know it is a parallelogram, and all my sides are the same length. You guys know this. It is a wonderful square, okay? Parallel to parallel, and these 2 are also parallel, and then all of these sides are the same length. It's a square, okay? Great job. That page was pretty easy, but if you have a question, circle it in red. We'll figure it out. I don't know where the stop is. There.